for the truck itself, for the sound deadening. Man, my truck is extremely loud because of the exhaust. So this is what I'm gonna try. Kilmat. It's supposed to block out external noises, squeaking, any of that stuff. So let's see what it does. Let's see how much I can knock out with just one pack. So there are quite a bit of them, so we'll see. And I actually prepped the surface. I'm gonna start with the back, all that, and all the floor. So probably be a sheet per, yeah, around there. So see, it's got a whole bunch of little holes on there, so I'll probably start by knocking all this out. Kind of sort them all out and see how I'm gonna end up doing all this. Yeah, probably something like that. So let's see how it turns out. finally got all this installed. Hopefully it makes a difference. There's a lot of work, time consuming, but looks good, came out good. And let's see how it sounds, and then continue on with the front.